Alright, this is how to remove audio from a video for free. First is to launch your web browser, and in this case, I'm going to use Microsoft Edge. As your browser opens, visit clipchamp.com and log in. Or if you don't use Clipchamp before now, sign up. So look at Clipchamp here. Alright, I'm taking to this page. I'll click on sign in, okay, because I have an account and follow the on-screen guide. But if you don't have an account, click on try for free and follow the on-screen guide to create an account. Alright, I'll click on continue with Microsoft. Then I'll select my email address. Okay, once you log in successfully, you'll find yourself on an interface that looks like this. You can click on create a new video and then import the video and remove the audio. But here, I want to work inside a folder I've already created here, which is this. I'll click on it. Okay, it's the same thing. All right. Now, here, the next step I need to take is to click on create a video. On getting to this place, I'll give this a title. Let me call it second video. Okay. All right. Now, after giving the video a title, click on Import Media. Then navigate to a folder where you saved the video you want to remove audio from it. So I'll click on my videos folder, which is where I saved mine, and another subfolder here. Double click on this, and the next step is to pick the video. I'll click on it and I will select open. All right, as this video is now placed inside this Clipchamp, all right, the next step is to drag it and drop it in the timeline and then detach the audio. So I'll take my cursor here, press and hold on the left button of my mouse, and then I will drag and drop. All right. Once the video is dropped here, it will be selected. That's why you are seeing this kind of color by the edge at the end and by this edge at this start. So once the file is selected, the color will appear. All right. But if it's not selected, it will not have any color here. That's the color of the Clipchamp application. So let me click here. Now you can see it's not selected. So there is no color at the end. All right, so no Clipchamp color at the end, but once they click on the file first, it is selected. That's how to select a video clip on Clipchamp. All right, then the next step is after the selection of the video, click on this audio tab by the right. On clicking on this audio tab by the right, you will see this button here, detach audio. Click on it. Now, the original audio on this video has been detached and is placed under. So click on that audio and then press the backspace key of your computer keyboard for it to be deleted. Or you can right click after clicking on it and then select the option to delete. And now this audio is gone. All right, so I'm left with only this video clip. Okay, the next step is to export. And for you to export, click on the export button at the top right. Then select the format you want to export it in. I want to go with 1080p, so I'll click on that. All right, this video is successfully exported. It's 228.30 MB megabyte. So let's get to the file explorer of my Windows 11 PC to see it. I'll click here. I'll click on downloads and look at this second video. So this is the file. If I play it now, it will play without any audio inside it. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on technology. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.